Hello everyone, I'm Gary Bilaw, a BS Electrical Engineering student. In this world of power system and industrial automation, understanding motor control isn't just about reading the diagrams. It's about the feel of the wiring and the logic of the circuit. Today, I am proud to present my research project, the design of an electrical trainer board. This board was developed with a primary purpose to provide platform for hands-on learning. It bridges the gap between theoretical classroom discussions and high-stake environmental industrial motor control maintenance. The structure is built using gray-painted slotted angle bar. For the main mounting surface, I chose polycarbonate plastic board. At the top, we have the main control area, while the motor itself is housed safely at the bottom. It's not only incredibly sturdy, but it is also provide excellent electrical insulation, ensuring student safety during simulation. Efficiency in learning is the key. I've designed this board with clean front layout. All the components are mounted on the top, but the terminations are handled underneath. This allows for plug-and-play experience using 4mm banana plug socket. It makes the wiring process smooth, fast, and repeatable. But the real secret lies at the back. While the front stays clean for the user, the back houses permanent contacts and the heart of our advanced training, the fault simulator. This trainer isn't just a piece of hardware. It's a curriculum. It features 9 essential activities that progress basic to advanced difficulty. What sets this trainer apart is the fault simulation controller. To be a great engineer, I have included 6 common real-world faults that an instructor can trigger. By recreating these scenarios, we challenge the user to diagnose and solve problems just as they would in the field. This trainer board is more than just a project. It's a tool designed to aid technicians to be more confident and ready for any challenge in the industry. Thank you for your time and for supporting innovations in electrical engineering. Thank you.